Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable the share option from your Facebook post. But before proceeding with today's video, please remember to like, share and comment below. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us. Also, hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. And without further delay, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser, and on your uppermost left hand side you'll find an arrow like icon. Click on that and go to settings and privacy. Settings, scroll down and on your left hand side you'll find stories. Under sharing options you can see allow others to share your public stories to their own story. Click on edit. Their story will include your full name and a link to your original story. They control who sees it. Now, once your story is shared by a different person, they will be controlling who can see their stories. Click on allow and from the drop-down menu, click on don't allow. Now, no one can share your public stories to their own stories. The second option is allow people to share your stories if you mention them. Click on edit. Once you mention somebody in your stories, whether it's a public story or if it's a story that can be viewed only by friends, if you mention them and if you are allowing them to share it, then they can share it on their profile and they will be able to control who sees their story. If you don't want your story to be shared, even if they are mentioned, then click on allow. From the drop down menu, click on don't allow. Now, your stories where you have mentioned others cannot be shared even by them. Go to your profile. Now this post you can see is public and it can be shared and viewed by anyone who visits my profile. As my profile is not locked, neither my post is private, so this can be viewed and shared by anyone. Now to turn this off, you need to go on this three dot icon over here and from the drop down menu, click on edit audience, click on friends, and once it's friends, only your friends will be able to share and see the post. Unfortunately, you cannot disable the share option for your friends. To know how to make your post shareable to public, please visit our YouTube channel and watch our latest video. I hope my video is informative. Please let us know if you have any queries or any suggestions for our new video. Do remember to leave a like on our video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected. To get notification whenever we upload something new, please hit the bell icon.